So I have a 2013 F150 and it has 4x4 on it. I was getting a very peculiar noise as I was going down the road that was coming intermittent. And so here's what it sounded like when I was coming down the road. So I figured out what the problem was. It was the four-wheel drive on acceleration was trying to engage and partially engaging and making that noise, which is quite a racket. So if you come under the hood here, that you will see right here is an actuator that when you pull the switch on the inside to go from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive high or four-wheel drive low, this actuator is what controls that. So what happened was it was trying to do it intermittently, and all I had to do was replace that part and the sound was gone. So that's a pretty easy fix. If you're having that problem, now you'll have an idea what the sound is. Well, I hope you find this video helpful and it could save you some money. Homestead Handyman out.